Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I'm going to show in this video how to add follow button on your Facebook. So before going to start the video, if you're not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to add follow button on your Facebook page, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you have to open your Facebook app, then tap on your profile icon. After that, you will find your profile name. You have to tap on that. Here you will see three dot. Just tap on that. Scroll down. In last, you can see turn on professional mode. You have to just tap on this and just tap on turn on. Tap on next. Tap on next. Select as per your custom choice. Just tap on confirm. Just tap on go to professional dashboard. Then go back. Again you have to tap on this three dot. Then here you can see view as. Just tap on this. Now you can see you will find here follow button. After Facebook's new update, you will not see this follow button. You will see only like button. Like button will work as the follow button. That's it guys. So in this way you can add follow button on your Facebook page. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.